let's see immediately how to use Python to make some text-to-speech with Python and the module from Google gTTS, this Google text-to-speech, and to use it without saving anything on the hard drive, but using some temporary files to make this. So we want to import the gTTS class to use the API from Google, and then we want to also import BytesIO to create a file type, temporary file type, and then we're going to use a pygame to make the audio to be audible on the computer. So we're going to create a function that we're going to call speak, and with some text that is what we want to convert into audio, and then we're gonna do mp3 file object like BytesIO, and this object that we want to fill it with the text-to-speech taken from the Google API language. We want to make English, but we're gonna we can make it optional, so language, and it's N by default, and then we wanted to write to FTP FP this mp3 file object, and then we want to return this mp3 file, but yes, fp, and I'm going to see if we need this BytesIO or if we don't need it. So let's go back to this and do initialize pygame to listen to the sound that we are going to create, and we need to initialize also the mixer, and then we want to create our sound, and let's say Python, yes, cool, and then we're gonna pygame.mixer.music.load this sound, and it wanna be in as an mp3, and then we're gonna do pygame.mixer.music.play. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we don't need this. And no, we need it because we need this file thing, and yeah. So if you wanna, so I don't know if you can hear it. Let's try again with changing the text. Okay, so it's pretty fast, as you can see. Let's see if we make it longer. Let's run it. Okay, so as you can see, it works very well and it doesn't save anything. So this is the code. Eventually I don't think I need to do sound.seek 0 to bring it back to the beginning. So I'm gonna write this just in case, and I'm gonna to comment this, and that's everything you need to know. So see you next time. Thank you and bye.